today I am so happy to tell you that our protest, the silent protest in Talegaon, has got a huge response. Today we are almost 35 to 40 of us who have been here, and you can see everyone's come forward now. And next week also the Catechist of Sant Inez also is coming in to support. So you can see everyone is coming out now. And today we have all Talegaon cars who have decided to come out in support of our fields and for our farmers. It's the need right now. You can see the line is way ahead and it's taken a full stretch. Thank you so much. Today, as soon as I reached here, we already saw a group of 5 to 6 individuals had already come in to support, and it's amazing that different people from Talegaon are coming forward now in support of this, because this Panchayat Ghar is supposed to be for the people, and if farmers' lands are taken away, it is not right. And that's why we have the young, we have the senior most, we have wives, singles, youth, everyone who's come forward, people who have come in from Saligaon, all the way from Kalangut, people have come in to support. And if you can see, everyone's making in time, and today this whole stretch is filled up with the people who are in support of the farmers. You can see over here everyone, and that's Vishal and Nathan at the end of it. And Nathan, I must say, is a young farmer, but he's written a letter to the CM, the same field, because one of his fields has been taken over here, and he along with few more children are going to go ahead and meet the CM soon. We want to see when all the children will be free, and Nathan will be going in with his letter, and he will officially read out the letter also to you all before he goes. So guys, so this is how the youth, he's 15 years old, Nathan here is 15 years old, and he decided, he told me, Cecil, I want to write a letter to the CM. We will try whatever we can to save our field, because he doesn't want to be demotivated. He's been having a lot of produce done for a very long time, and he's known all over the world. Trust me, this young boy. And he has a special type of sweet potatoes that he does in his other field. So, but he's here constantly every day, that, you know, to save the fields. And I don't think we need a new Panchayat Ghar over here, 6,000 square meters of land that is taken, when we already have a full-fledged AC Panchayat Ghar. This particular Panchayat Ghar doesn't have a website yet, doesn't have an email ID, which is necessary during this pandemic time, so that people don't have to come to the Panchayat Ghar and can directly email. But nothing is there right now for this. Same letters have been put forward to the BDO to take action and to have this done at the earliest. So you can see, guys, today there are 2 vehicles that there are here dumping in. And you can see, this is the border line, and these were all fields once on a time. This is to see from green to red, and all now they're showing it's all mud out here. I have been showing you all constantly the debris that have been dumped into it. Now some of the garbage has a lot of chemicals inside. We don't know what is inside, and they've all gone into the other fields during the rains. So today you can see this long protest, guys. People are coming forward, and it's amazing. It's amazing to see the support that people have come out, and Talegaon cars giving in 1 hour of their time in support of the farmers. This is not only happening in this field, but it's happening in a lot of fields where people are dumping debris and land has been taken left, right and center. So if we don't voice up now, then we are going to be finished tomorrow. So guys, you can see, this is all the crowd that's here, that's coming forward. God bless the people. And see our roads here. Talegaon roads. See how, you can just see how the traffic is, which side of the road the traffic is on. No one rides on the right hand side where I am, everyone's on this side of it, so you can see. Roads are bad, creating a lot of safety hazards for the people. You can just see for yourself how people. I think the money has to be spent in the right way, that is getting public safety into action first, that is good roads, and then this new Panchayat Ghar and whatever it is. I don't think we need another Panchayat Ghar. It's supposed to be a people's movement, and yet you can see that the disaster that keeps on happening every day. And you can see, my God, I don't like this JCB. Every time the JCB is just dumping in. You can just see destroyer. See these vehicles, and I feel they are more of a destruction. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I would like you to share it to all the people that you know. So everyone come in big numbers to support for the same. This is what it is needed, guys, that we come out in support. We are not screaming, shouting, we are not going to be arrested, but come in and support. A lot of people have told me we are scared, so that something might happen and it's political. It's nothing political. It is farmers' lands that are being taken, and we need to protect it. This is not right, where Panchayat itself is doing this. God bless you. Thank you and have a good evening. And see you all next Thursday. Bye.